to the Uila 2-minute drill. As the global adoption of virtualization increases, and as the number of virtualizing critical applications increases, so does storage I/O utilization. It's common for companies to be caught off guard by storage I/O issues for two different reasons. One, when new applications are virtualized, it can be difficult to size their storage requirements, and the result can be unexpected storage I/O bottlenecks. Number two is that storage I/O can be very dynamic and is very dependent on the nature of the application. The result is that storage I/O contention issues can come and go quickly, making them difficult to identify. In order to be able to provision just the right amount of storage for the various tiers of a multi-tiered application, you need to know their application dependencies to know the storage I/O average utilization and maximum utilization between all the tiers. Looking at Uila's application topology view shows us how all of our applications communicate with each other. We can also select a specific starting point, such as this Oracle server, to show all dependent services and servers for that particular server. This view shows us who Oracle 11g and 1 relies on for services to be provided. When we see a particular application that is showing poor performance, we can click on that to go to the root cause analysis page, which we can quickly see we have an issue with our read latency. When I look further into the storage for this particular server, I can see the latency and IOPS for the VM, the host, and the data store where that VM lives. I can see that read latency is in fact an issue on this VM, but also the host shows signs of high latency. So I'll click on the host and I can see which VMs are heavily utilizing the storage at this particular time. We also have the ability to look at the storage for a particular VM as a whole versus focusing on one particular service or application on that server. Here we can see that this server is showing high latency for all applications during an extended period of time. Beyond this, we can go to our storage analysis page and look at the virtual disks, VMs, hosts, and data stores to determine where the contention or bottleneck may be. We can also see the actual reads and writes on the data store that holds the Oracle VM, so we can be sure that the IOPS are not out of control. Check out other videos in the Uila 2-minute drill series for more information on how we're helping data center managers keep their applications and infrastructure running at peak efficiency.